Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready to dive in.
Well, today we're tackling something that I think a lot of people struggle with, especially, when you're just starting out, and that's career uncertainty.
Oh, yeah. Figuring out that career path, that can be a real head scratcher.
Totally. So we found this really cool source that I think is going to be super helpful for anyone feeling a little lost in the career department. It's like a roadmap for tackling those, like, what am I doing with my life moments.
I like that, a roadmap.
Right.
Yeah.
Because it's so easy to feel like everyone else has it all figured out.
Oh, yeah. You see those people on social media, always crushing it, makes you wonder.
Exactly. And this source really resonated with me because it features someone named David, who is totally in that boat, feeling lost, comparing himself to others, just overwhelmed by the whole career thing.
Okay, so David's our case study. What does he, or I guess the source, tell us to do about it?
Well, it starts with this idea of, exploring your interests, which sounds pretty basic.
Sure, but I bet there's more to it than just, daydreaming about what you'd love to do.
Oh, absolutely. It's all about actively getting out there and trying things. The source specifically mentions internships and workshops. What do you think about those?
I mean, they're both fantastic ways to really get a feel for something. Like an internship, it's not just about adding a bullet point to your resume. It's about getting your hands dirty, seeing the day-to-day of a certain field.
Yeah, it's like a test drive before you buy the car.
Exactly. And workshops, they're kind of like those sample platters you get at restaurants. You get to try little bites of different skills or industries.
Love that analogy. So the point is, you might uncover some hidden passions or talents you didn't even know you had.
Right. You could stumble upon something you never even considered before.
Exactly. Now, another big thing that the source talks about is seeking career guidance. And, I think for a lot of people, talking to a career counselor can feel a little intimidating. What would you say to someone who's maybe hesitant to reach out for help?
Honestly, I think career counselors get a bad rap. People think they're only for people who are totally lost, but that's just not true. They're for anyone who wants to gain more clarity, get some direction.
It's like having a coach in your corner.
Exactly. Think of them as career strategists. They have all these tools and assessments like personality tests, career aptitude quizzes, stuff like that.
Oh, the quizzes are always fun.
Yeah, and they can really help uncover your strengths and interests. Plus, they can give you the inside scoop on different industries and connect you with opportunities you might not even know existed. Think of it like having a personalized roadmap, but, one that can adapt as your interests change.
I like that, a roadmap that evolves with you. So we've got exploring our interests, seeking guidance. The source also talks about developing transferable skills. This is a term we hear all the time.
All the time, yeah.
But what does it actually mean, especially for someone trying to figure out their career path?
It means building a skill set that you can apply across different roles and industries. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of abilities.
So, like, what kind of skills are we talking about?
Things like communication, problem solving, teamwork, critical thinking. Those foundational skills that employers look for regardless of the job.
Okay, so it's not just about, the technical skills specific to one job. It's about those broader skills that can translate to different areas.
Right. Like imagine you're applying for a job in marketing, but you have experience leading a team project in college. That leadership experience, that's a transferable skill. I says you can take initiative, delegate, work collaboratively. Those are all super valuable qualities in marketing, but honestly, in pretty much any field.
Wow, that makes so much sense. So it's about building your own, career insurance policy.
You got it.
And these are skills you can build anywhere. Volunteer work, side projects, even hobbies. So to recap what we've learned today, tackling career uncertainty starts with actively exploring your interests, seeking guidance, and focusing on those transferable skills.
Exactly. And one last thing I want to leave you with. Remember, your career path, it's not going to be a straight line.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah. There will be detours, unexpected opportunities. Embrace the journey, be open to new things, and you'll find your way to a career that's fulfilling and meaningful.
Awesome advice. So don't stress if you don't have it all figured out right now. Just start exploring, seek guidance, and keep building those valuable skills.
You got this.
Thanks for listening, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See ya.